Vivo V60e will be unveiled in India on October 7th. The Vivo V60e will be available in Elite Purple and Noble Gold. Vivo V60e is set to redefine smartphone photography, featuring a flagship 200MP ultra-clear portrait camera, as this device promises a flagship camera feature with unmatched detail, lifelike clarity, and professional-level versatility right in your pocket, paired with an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens and a dual rear setup. A 50-megapixel autofocus-enabled front camera. The Vivo V60e is said to be boasting a MediaTek Dimensity 7360 SoC delivers seamless multitasking, efficient 5G connectivity, and smooth handling of apps and games. The Vivo V60e features a quad-curved AMOLED display, which will probably support a 120Hz refresh rate like its predecessor. The Vivo V60e is to come with IP68 and IP69 ratings. The battery is tipped to be 6,500 mAh. Fast charging support could go up to 90W. Run FunTouch OS 15 with Android 15 out of the box and receive 3 major Android OS upgrades and security updates for a period of 5 years. The price of Vivo V60e in India will begin at 28,999 rupees for the base variant with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of onboard storage. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.